So, hello, my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh, and this time I'm just making a video of class 10 science project work. Already, I have given you physics and biology, and this time I'm giving you another experiment from chemistry, and that is the aim of the experiment is aim to study the following properties of acetic acid. In the bracket, you can write ethanoic acid, and the formula is CH3COOH, close the bracket. Now, what we have to find out in acetic acid, four things are there just to find out. And the four things are: number one, odor, that is smell. Number two, solubility in water, whether that is acetic acid is soluble or not. And third, effect on litmus paper. And the last one is reaction with sodium bicarbonate. So this what we have to do in this experiment. So for doing these experiments we need certain things. So our next step is, see here, this all you have to write it in green pen. Now next heading, requirements. Requirements you have to write with black pen, and the inside one whatever it is given you have to use your blue pen. Requirements. What are the requirements? Sample of acetic acid, test tubes, water, sodium bicarbonate, blue litmus paper, dropper, freshly prepared lime water. And in the bracket, ice cold water is written, no need to write that. You can write till prepared lime water. Now come to the next heading, that is basic principles involved. So what are the things we have to see here? What are the properties? So very first property used with your blue pen, acetic acid has vinegar like smell. And second, acetic acid is highly soluble in water. And third, acetic acid turns blue litmus red, because acid, it's a sure test that blue litmus turns into red. And the fourth point, acetic acid produces effervescence with sodium bicarbonate, liberating carbon dioxide gas. Now carbon dioxide turns lime water milky due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. Now next, Pure acetic acid freezes at 16.6 degree centigrade. Acetic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol in the presence of sulfuric acid so that ethyl acetate is formed. And in the basic principle, the last one is ethyl acetate is an ester and it has fruity smell. That is why the above reaction is called esterification. Okay. Now, steps of experimental procedure to study the properties of acetic acid. So, here apart from serial number, you have to make 3 columns, one experiment, another one observation, and then inference. You just pause the video and make a chart like this. Now come to the first point in the experiment. Write with green pen order of acetic acid and how it smells. Take the given sample in a test tube and smell it carefully. What happens? What do we observe? It smells like vinegar. So, what was the inference here? That acetic acid has vinegar like odor. Now, next, solubility of acetic acid in water. Take 2 ml of water in a test tube, add 10 drops of acetic acid and shake it carefully. What happens? A homogeneous solution is formed. So, 2 types of solutions are there, heterogeneous and homogeneous. Now, what is inference? Acetic acid is soluble in water. Next, point 2, add more acetic acid into the same test tube. It also dissolves. Here, acetic acid is highly soluble in water. Now, Third point, effect of acetic acid on litmus paper. Now this time we will see what is the effect on litmus paper. Place a strip of blue litmus paper on a dry and clean tile with the help of a dropper. Put 2 drops of acidic solution on it. What happens? Blue litmus turns red. Acetic acid shows acidic character. The next. Place a strip of red litmus paper on a dry and clean tile. Put 2 drops of acidic acid solution on it. And what do we observe? There is no change in the color of red litmus. That means acetic acid has acidic character. Now fourth point, reaction of acetic acid with sodium bicarbonate. Take 2 ml solution of acetic acid in a clean test tube and add a pinch of sodium bicarbonate. What happens? Effervescence is produced. And here inference, acidic acid liberates carbon dioxide from sodium bicarbonate. Now here the second point, pass carbon dioxide gas through lime water. What happens? Lime water turns milky, and here carbon dioxide forms calcium carbonate with lime water. Now close the box. Now we will see results and conclusion. Write with your green pen, with the black pen. Write with your black pen. Now here blue pen. What are the conclusions? Acetic acid has vinegar like smell. Acidic acid is highly soluble in water. Acidic acid changes blue litmus red. Next point, acidic acid liberates carbon dioxide from sodium bicarbonate. And the last point, acidic acid forms ester with methyl alcohol. And the last part of this project is precautions. In every experiment, precautions we have to, not only we have to write, but also while doing experiment we have to be very careful. So precautions are very necessary. First one, acidic acid should be handled with care, because acid, whatever be the acid, they are very dangerous. They can burn your clothes, they can burn your skin. So it should be handled very carefully. The vapors of chemicals should not be inhaled, यानी जो भाप निकलता है उसको हम लोग सांस के जरिए अंदर नहीं लेना चाहिए. Carbon dioxide should be passed through freshly prepared lime water, only for a short time. Yes, short duration. Every care should be taken while using concentrated sulfuric acid. And the last point, mixture of acetic acid and ethyl alcohol should never be heated directly on the flame. It should be heated only in a water bath. So my dear students, that's all in this experiment. We will see you in the coming video with another experiment of chemistry. Till then, goodbye.